Kiss. Mwah. All right, take a look at this. She's leaning out over the house. So we got a line on the top from the roof, threw it over, and then we pulled her line back up, came down, and did a basal tie. So what we're gonna do is put some tension on and then make our face cut. It's just embedding that one. Get that line right. Hold right there. With that new heavy bar. Try and pop that. Oh, cut past it. Damn. Oh, let's clean that up. Okay, still looking pretty good. Just about as much as we could on that hinge. We don't want to risk cutting through that hinge because she could spin on the base, and that's a bad day. All right, that's one. Okay, good job, babe. That was that first line snapped. That first branch snapped. You saw that? Yeah. I was like, oh shoot, am I gonna snap a top out?
I got it. It fell over at one point.